Hello friends, welcome to my channel Machine Point. Today I came with new video for you. Today I will show how to commissioning the hydraulic hammer on the machine. So you can see in this video all the parts are came with the hydraulic hammer. So this is the bracket, clamps, electronic foot pedal, relief valve, hydraulic pressure hoses and return hoses, clamps and toolbox are also here. This is the metal pipe which will be fixed on the machine boom. So you can see in this video how we are fixing the brackets on the machine's boom with the welding. For fixing the all metal pipes, we should fix the all metal pipes perfectly on boom and stick. So because lots of vibration in this hydraulic line, so we should fix the perfectly on this boom and stick. Now we are completed the job with the boom, and now we are cam here with the stick. So now we are fixing the bracket on stick. So you can see here how we are bracket fixing here for the fixing of the metal pipe. So lots of vibration in this line, so we should fix perfectly. So now you can see we are connected the hydraulic hoses with the metal pipe, and also metal pipe fixed on the boom, and all the rubber hoses we are connected together, metal pipe and rubber hoses. So this is the pressure line of the hydraulic hammer, and this is the solenoid valve for operation of hammer. So all the small hoses you can see here. This is the pressure and tank line. This is the pressure line of the main hydraulic hammer, and this is the return line. It's coming from the hydraulic hammer to tank. So this is the return filter we are fixed here. So you can see in this video how we are fixed all things on the machine: metal pipes and rubber hoses, relief valves, accumulators. This is the accumulators. Now you can see we are fixed all hoses and metal pipes on the machines. See, this is the accumulator, relief valve and pressure checking point. This is the relief valve. We can adjust relief from here. Relief pressure we can adjust, and this is the accumulator for shock absorbing of hydraulic line. So now this is the return filter of the hydraulic line. So this is the compulsory for the breaker uses, and this is the solenoid valve for operation of hammer. So return filter is must fit on the machine because it's controlling the oil contamination. This is the block, pressure block and tank block. You can see P5 and T5, both is here. This is the tank line. It's coming from the solenoid, and upper side was the pressure line. So now we are removing the bucket for fixing the hammer. After removing, we are fixed the hammer on this machine. Now we are installing the chisel inside the hammer. So you can see how we are pushing inside the breaker. This chisel we are pushing inside, and we will lock this chisel through the rod pin. And this is the stroke adjuster valve. We can adjust the stroke of piston from here, and this is the accumulator for pressure line, and this is the gas charging point of the accumulator. So this is the gas charging, backhead gas charging point. Now we are fixed all things on this machine. Commissioning is completed now. You can see how we are fixed all things. This breaker is DOSCO 2200A advanced model. This model is advanced. So this is the stop valve for stopping the hydraulic flow of the hammer, and also this side is one stop valve is here also for stopping of the flow. See, this is the advanced model. Now we are fixed all thing, and now we will test this breaker at site. You can see here easily. Now we are testing how this performance is how the performance of breaker. You can see the rocks are breaking quickly and fast. You can see. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will come with a new video. Thank you.